These products are not meant to up your rankings, but they will help you convert traffic once you already have some visitors onto your website. So I'm on this one of many of our locations up here in Maine that have not yet worked on as much in this location. So today I'm going to go over it and I'm going to add all the products for this page, and I'm going to show you how to do the first couple so you get the idea. So first of all, you're going to go to your business profile and open it up, and you're going to have your website open in a different tab. And we're going to be working back and forth between two tabs. So first we're going to click on Edit Products. And we're going to add a new product. So get started, and we're going to product name. We're going to call, so say this location is in Auburn, Lewiston, Auburn. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a product called Homes for Sale in Lewiston, Auburn, or Lewiston. We'll do one city at a time. So we'll watch. We'll do homes. We'll call it Lewiston. Maine. Category, create a new category. I'm going to call this Homes for Sale. Price is optional, leave it empty. Description, you're going to do really basic. You're going to say, right, search all homes for sale in Lewiston, Maine. Right, and schedule showings with an agent. Done. Really basic. Okay, right now here, landing page URL. All we're going to do is go over to, for this example, I'm using KV Core as a website, but it's worth for any website that works MLS, that when somebody signs up to the website, that lead goes back to you to your CRM. So if you don't have that website, this will not work, unfortunately. If you need to know how to figure out how to get your own landing page on your website, reach out to me and I can show you how to do that as well. So watch what we're going to do. We're going to type in Lewiston and hit search. And then we can literally grab whatever URL it has up here. We can just grab this URL. There are a couple other ways of doing this. This is by far the easiest way. There's also a way for KV Core users that can go in and create custom landing pages for Lewiston and use that instead, and that's better. And you know what? I'll leave a link to a tutorial on how to do that in the description of this video, so you can go and check out how to do that on the next video as well, where I'll show you exactly the same steps and how to create a landing page on KV Core that does the exact same thing. It works even better. But for the simple version, we're just going to grab this search that we just conducted and ran, and we're going to go back to here, and we're going to put the link right in the landing page URL. And then for a photo, I like to just go and grab just a photo of Lewiston, either a house for sale. So this is really basic. You can grab any home for sale that kind of looks like a Lewiston house. This is an example one. Or you can get a picture that says Lewiston on it. Or you can go to Canva and type Lewiston home for sale. You can do a real basic picture for here. You can just make it very generic and just say homes for sale. End of story. The more, if you're gonna try to complicate with it and not do it, just do a very basic picture of a house and done. Don't worry about this, how it looks. Then we'll get add a product, and that's really all it is. Then you can add another product and say this next one's gonna be Auburn. So we're gonna do Auburn, Maine, category, it's already created, so homes for sale. Price we'll leave empty, and then we'll do search all homes for sale. In Auburn and schedule showings with an agent. I goes with say real estate, and you can get more specific, different keyword in there. And then we'll get the URL page. So we'll come here, and again, we'll just type in Auburn. This URL will actually change. Then we'll just grab this URL and pop it in there and publish. Oh, sorry, photo. Get a different photo. Let's see. Let's just grab another one. I don't have one, so why don't we? I don't have one. Why don't we go over to Canva and I'll show you how to create one that will look good. So watch. Let's go to canva.com and we'll do create photo. Let's do a custom size. I can just keep it like 500 by 500, something of that nature, just really a generic size. And then we'll look for this. We'll look for Auburn, Maine. Nothing good. Then we'll just look for home for sale. All right, check it out. Drag that there. Get rid of that. All right, we can drag this up over there and watch. We can check out what we can do here. Let's make this really simple. We'll just grab this home for sale. Duplicate. Watch. We'll do this. We'll do in Auburn. Alright, done. Home for sale in Auburn, Maine. Finished. Download. Save. Doesn't have to be complicated. As simple as you can possibly make it. Once you have the photo, go over here, select it, drop it in there, and all of a sudden you have a professionally looking product. And publish it. So here is actually a great example of a team that's just really well and has built out a lot of products in the area. And see, it even has categories here for home for sale. Once you're adding categories, your profile starts to look more and more full. So, she has 2 categories now, home for sale and selling your home. You can click on each of these categories and it pulls up all the products with a phone number up top there. So example, home for sale. So let's check this out. So Clearwater home for sale, Tampa home for sale. We'll click on that one and we hit visit site. Then it gets sent over to this page here and it has all the home for sale in Tampa. And it's a really easy way for people to click on, because if someone's looking to buy a house in Clearwater and they see that product, right, it's a really good chance they'll click on it. Right, then here for Venice Englewood, you click on that, and boom, you have, again, the phone number of other products similar in this category. Then you have visit site, and you click on that button, and then the user can actually go right to your website and start looking for homes on your site, of course, instead of Zillow or Realtor.com, and that's the whole goal. We were trying to take business away from Zillow and direct it to the agents. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please feel free to let me know what else you guys want me to go over on these tutorials, whether it's Google SEO, your website, business, technology, Facebook ads, anything at all that you guys want to learn about. Let me know and I will create the tutorial. I will not leave anything out. I promise you guys that I will give you only the best of content. So please, if you enjoyed this video, like my page, follow my page, whatever it is, subscribe to YouTube, and I really hope to speak to you soon.